In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files from Google Drive to Dropbox. Integrating these two popular cloud storage platforms can streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage your files. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your Dropbox homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're in the All Files section. This is where we'll be managing all the uploads and imports, so it's essential to start here. If you're not there already, simply navigate over using the menu options on the left-hand side of your screen. Next up, look for the Upload button. It's typically located at the top of your screen, represented by an arrow or plus sign. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Import from Google Drive. Selecting this option is crucial for connecting with your Google Drive and beginning the import process, so ensure you click on this specific link. Once you've clicked Import from Google Drive, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. It's important to use the account that has the files you want to transfer over to Dropbox. Enter your Google Drive email and password securely to proceed. Be mindful of privacy and security by ensuring you're on the official Dropbox and Google sign-in pages. With the login successful, you'll gain access to your Google Drive files directly from the Dropbox interface. This is where some decision-making comes in. Browse through your Google Drive files and folders and select which ones you'd like to import into your Dropbox. This selection process is key. Make sure you're choosing the correct files you want to migrate. Once you've made your selections, proceed to transfer them by following the prompts on the screen. Dropbox will typically guide you through this process, ensuring that the files you've chosen make their way into your Dropbox storage without a hitch. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to bring the best of Google Drive into your Dropbox account, all without having to download and upload files manually on your own device. Before you finish, remember this process not only saves you a lot of time and storage space, but can also be repeated whenever you need to move more files. It's a great technique for anyone needing to sync datasets across these platforms regularly. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy organizing!